Hello guys, welcome to Manual Education. So this video is all about top MBA colleges in district Ratnagiri. Guys, in the last video we have discussed about top MBA colleges in Raigad district and this time Ratnagiri. So Ratnagiri which is there in the Konkan region, okay, जो sea belt है महाराष्ट्र state का, ये वहाँ पे district located है and in this district कौन-कौन से top MBA colleges है, okay, we will see that and these all MBA colleges they accept Maharashtra MBA CET score. So if you want to prepare for Maharashtra MBA CET, so we have launched the batches. This batches you can get live classes, classroom coachings are also there. We have books, ebook facilities also, you can get shortcut trick, doubt classes, recorded videos are there, topic tests, mock tests. WhatsApp group will be made 10,000 plus question for the practice purpose and mentorship by our exam mentors. So what are you waiting guys? Book your seat now, call on 8828581455 or you can also visit to our website manualradio.com/MBA entrance. Okay guys, now let us discuss one by one each colleges which is there in the Ratnagiri district. Okay, so first is Mandar Education Society Rajaram Shinde College of Masters of Business Administration. It is located in Chiploon and it was established in 2004 and the total seat is 54 and this particular college is unaided college which is a private college and it is affiliated to University of Mumbai and it offers MMS program that is Master of मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज़. ओके गाइज, मुंबई यूनिवर्सिटी से एफिलिएटेड है तो एमएमएस प्रोग्राम ही ये सारे कॉलेजेस जो भी है रत्नागिरी डिस्ट्रिक्ट में ऑफर करेंगे. एंड इफ़ आई टॉक अबाउट स्पेशलाइजेशन, एमएमएस प्रोग्राम इन मार्केटिंग, फाइनेंशियल मैनेजमेंट, ह्यूमन रिसोर्स मैनेजमेंट, ऑपरेशन एंड प्रोडक्शन मैनेजमेंट, MBA इन IT इंफॉर्मेशन एंड टेक्नोलॉजी मैनेजमेंट, ये सारे कोर्सेज में MBA ये कॉलेज ऑफर करता है. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो अ गुड कॉलेज. यू कैन परस्यू MBA फ्रॉम दिस पर्टिकुलर college. Next college is Rajendra Mane College of Engineering and Technology, Ambahu, Devrug, Ratnagiri district में ये located है and it was established in 1998 and total seat is 60 and this particular college is NAC B plus graded college and it is also affiliated to University of Mumbai and this college is also an aided college, that is a private college. Okay. Now next college is Shahjeevan Shikshan Sanstha Mandan Bhai Sura Institute of Business Management, Khed, Ratnagiri district. It was established in 2008. This particular college, it has 60 seats. This college is also an unaided college and it is also affiliated to University of Mumbai and program they offer MBA in marketing, HR, finance, operation and IT system. Okay, and if I talk about placement statistics, so 84% students get placement from this college and this is one of the very good college which is there in the Ratnagiri district and highest salary it was 4.2 LPA and average was 3.20 LPA. Okay, so this kind of a salary package you can get from this college. Now this college is also accepting the score of Maharashtra MBA CET. Okay, now next college is Sahyadri Institute of Management and Research, Sarvade, established in 2011 and total seat is 60. Okay, it is also affiliated to University of Mumbai. It is also an unaided college and it also offer MMS program as well as PGDM प्रोग्राम, दैट इज़ पोस्ट ग्रेजुएशन डिप्लोमा इन मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज़. ओके, ये कॉलेज में बहुत ज़्यादा प्लेसमेंट नहीं मिलता है बट अराउंड 30 to 40% स्टूडेंट्स गेट प्लेसमेंट इन दिस कॉलेज. सो दिस इज़ ऑल अबाउट दी टॉप MBA colleges in Ratnagiri district and if you want to prepare for MBA entrance, okay, so you can join our online and live classes. We have started with classroom coaching also at Mumbai. Our branches are at Borivali, Vasai and Dadar. You can call to all these respective numbers. Okay, you can also visit to our website. You can also follow us on our social media handles for exam updates and notification. New MBA entrance YouTube channel we have launched. In this channel you will get all the updates regarding MBA CET examination, podcast and many more things. So do subscribe to this channel and guys, in the description we have mentioned one Google form link. If you want to prepare for MBA CET, then fill that particular form. Our counselor will get back to you and they will explain all the details about MBA CET examination. So that's all in this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, prepare well. Thank you.